Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to install and set up TensorFlow to start creating project. If you don't want to install it in your system, you can use Google Colab. For Google Colab, link is in the description, and Google Colab look like this. Here you can import and use TensorFlow easily. Now if you want to use TensorFlow on your system, so here we install with easiest way to in your PC. First we need to download Anaconda, and the download link is available in description. Here in my case I download it, 64-bit graphical installer, and here also other options for Mac OS and Linux. After that we download PyCharm and install both in your system. First start installing Anaconda, then we double click on the setup, simply next and select the for all users, and then agree with it and install. After complete the finish the setup, then we install GPU drivers. If you have CUDA enabled GPU, here download link for NVIDIA GPU is available in description. You can download and install drivers in your system. I have already installed in system. After that we install TensorFlow for GPU. Go to start menu and run Anaconda, and create environment for GPU by simple command using conda create --name tf space TensorFlow _ GPU. Press enter. Now installation is started. It will take some time. For installation on the CPU, we simply use command conda create --name tf _ CPU. Now activate environment, simply use type conda activate tf _ CPU. Then we install pip. For installing pip we use simply command conda space install pip. Then pip install TensorFlow. To install TensorFlow, after that we install PyCharm by simple click on the setup, then click on next, then we check create association with py files for open Python file in PyCharm, then next install, then run PyCharm and don't import setting. Finish. Then we simply use PyCharm, then we create new project that called first tensor project. Then we click on existing interpreter, then we click on add interpreter on the right side, then we select conda environment, and here we can see two environments showing, one for GPU and other for CPU. Here I select for GPU and check mark make available to all the projects, then we click OK, then we press create. Now here we can able to import TensorFlow, and now we can see TensorFlow library on our system. First here we check the TensorFlow version, simply print tf.version, and here we can see the installed version is showing, and that video is how to set up TensorFlow for GPU and CPU. If you have any problem to setup creation, leave a comment, I will help you. And in next session we start coding parts. So all, thank you so much for watching this session. By subscribing my channel, show your love.